Hi, my name is Carlos Green. I recently just moved here, the States from Mexico. I came here because I was supposed to meet with a lawyer named Henry, come to his office. I wanted to apply for my green card so that I could come here. And also I wanted to collect my social security number. My goal is to work over here, And I I need my green card because it's required for my work. It's very important. In the Hadley Association lawyer's office, it was a success, and they're famous. They came over here, and they helped me collect it, and they did it for a lot of people. So, the sign for Hanley is that, okay? So that's it. Bye. Good lucky. Bye.